Hello, this is what you asked from me, how to use an air conditioner cleaner. So an air conditioner cleaner is something, a product that can disinfect the system, kill the fungi, kill the bacteria, and refresh your reconditioning filters and working systems. One of the best is the Facom treatment clean or air conditioner cleaner that I'm going to use right now. So first of all, we have to clean all the conditioner ways, all of them. It's not only here, it's also here. Then we are turning the car on. Put the way to circulation inside. Okay, that's the circulation inside. Open the AC and set it on the lowest possible temperature. Now, we have to move the seat as much as to the rear, as much as possible. We move the seat to the back. Then we put it here. We shake it and we will activate that, and we leave it for about 10 minutes to work. Okay? You must be very careful about your plastic insides, whatever plastic is here. So we leave it here, and it will not destroy any plastic. We leave it here for about 10 minutes. The car has to work on these settings: the circulation inside, airco, lowest possible temperature. So I will shake it and I will open it. And I will leave the car. It already has a very good smell. After 10 minutes of working, you can stop the car, or it's better to leave it to work for another 5 minutes, but open all the windows. So everything that has left can leave the car, and your conditioning system will work perfectly without any bacteria, fungi, and it will have a very good and fresh taste, a smell.